Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. So today we are just kind of taking it slow. It's a very slow day today. I'm filming this on a Thursday. When you guys see this, it's obviously Friday, but today my children are off from school. My husband is home because we had a wintry mix of snow and sleet, and it's just insane. We had about 5 to 8 inches today, and it just was horrible. So my kids' schools got closed, and my husband just decided to take the day off. And so I am just making breakfast and, doing laundry and cleaning, and just decided I wanted to take you guys along with me on this very slow day of homemaking. And I hope that you guys are, enjoying so far. I hope that where you are having a wonderful day, and that you too are also having a peaceful, slow day. So let's go ahead and get on into this video.
The swallows will be here by dawn. When we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt.
So I am just whipping up some pancakes and turkey bacon because those are always a fan faves in our home whenever all of my family is together. And this is a very rare occasion that we are home together during the week in the mornings, because we are all so busy and going about our day. So it was such a rare treat, and I love having my family home, and it just made my mama bear heart so happy that I was able to serve my family in this way. I love serving my family. I love making breakfast and dinners and everything, from scratch as much as I can. And I love to make food and to have everyone sit and eat. That is the way that I was raised. I had a huge family, and my mom and dad, I can remember always whipping up breakfasts and lunches and dinners, especially around the holidays. We just had such a grand time feasting and just chatting it up and having such a good time. So I always try to do that with my family whenever we are all together at home, especially in the mornings. I like to get up and make them breakfast before they head on out to school or, to work, my husband. And so I just take such pride in serving my family, and it's one of the best things and favorite things that I can ever do for my family is to serve them in this way. So we just had such a blast.
We'll always remember how it felt.
So due to the fact that we're all home, I wanted to make it easier on myself today and use disposables, because you all know when everyone is home, for some reason the dishes just tend to pile up. So I took out the disposables so that everyone can use them for breakfast, lunch throughout the day. And then dinner time, we'll whip out the regular dinner plates. But I'm just I had to think fast and be proactive because I just didn't want the dishes to pile up and that I would have to be washing dishes a million times throughout the day. Though it's my son's chore to do the dishes after dinner, I just didn't want to have to put anyone through that. I kind of wanted them to relax today just because we all have such busy days. So I busted out the disposables and they worked great. So now I am packing away the Christmas tree. I am so sad, you guys. I absolutely love this tree so much. It's from King of Christmas, and I collaborated with them on my main channel, my decorating channel at Home with Shoshana. And I just love this tree. Oh, that's my baby girl, Nyla. If you guys haven't met her yet, that is Nyla Beasy, and she's keeping me company this morning. That's not a belly shirt, by the way. She just likes to pull her shirt up. It's a comfort thing for her. But I'm putting away the Christmas tree. Finally, you guys, I'm putting it away, and I am kind of going to clean the area and, start to declutter some things. But though I am sad to see my tree go, I'm going to miss that twinkly light in the evenings. January is over and it's time to put it away and kind of start getting ready to do some spring cleaning. I'm going to also be putting away a lot of my winter decor very soon because once March starts, I'm going to start doing some spring cleaning and getting this house cleaned out, decluttered, and in tip-top shape for our move to be coming up very soon. And I will definitely let you guys know when that's going to be taking place. But for now, I am just cleaning and, decluttering and getting everything together.
Significant life, just what it was needed. Clean in the blackest night, cloistered in injustice dead, and in the eyes of time, nobody is losing. The sparrows will be here by dawn. When we find this over, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
So now I'm just going ahead, spraying down the table and cleaning it because we had dinner last night and my son never cleaned the table, though that's a part of his chore, and he didn't clean the table. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe it down before we actually have breakfast. And Nyla is sitting there waiting patiently for her pancakes. She loves pancakes, and so she came down and she's just sitting there patiently waiting, and I just applaud her patience. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down the table so that I can go ahead and serve her breakfast. So Nyla wanted to help me in wiping down the table. So I gave her a dish towel so she can go ahead and wipe it down as well. She loves to help. She does help with chores. She doesn't exactly have chores, but she does help me with like laundry sometimes and like to wipe down the tables and the dishes. She will put her dish, in the sink, and she likes to help out with those type of little chores. So I let her help me because, she has to learn, and she can learn, and she is learning. And though she doesn't do them herself, she does get one-on-one help from everyone in the house. But just her showing that she actually wants to help is such a big thing. And so we always let her help. So now that breakfast is done, I'm going to go ahead and start doing some laundry. This is what happens every single time. We don't have a laundry chute or anything, so we tend to just throw our dirty clothes on the steps and we pick them up as we go down to the laundry room. And it's always a pile of stuff. It's always a pile of stuff on the steps. I hate the fact that, hate is a strong word. I dislike the fact that my laundry room is in the basement because it's a lot of stairs to go from the basement to the second floor. In our next home, I'm hoping that our laundry room will be in the on the first floor or the second floor because it's just so much easier for me. So I am going to go ahead and start laundry and then hopefully start folding some laundry that is sitting upstairs in my bedroom or has been sitting upstairs in my bedroom for days. Also, my daughter left her AirPods in her jacket, and I don't know if they're going to work now. I hope they do because they were a lot of money. So hopefully they do work. I don't think she knows that they were there, which is the sad part. And normally, I didn't put this load in the washer because normally I do check. She put them in the washer because after she was done playing her basketball game, she came in and, loaded the washer. So hopefully they still work. But it's just, oh my gosh. I feel like the laundry room or the washer is where a lot of things go to die electronically because for some reason my kids are always leaving their electronics in their jackets, like their AirPods, just little things like that. And I am just, oh my goodness. If there's anyone out there, any parent out there that has this issue with their kids leaving their things in their clothing and you're always finding it after the fact, please leave a heart down in the comment section just to let me know that you feel my pain. So this is all the clothes that needs to be folded. And yeah, it's been sitting here for days, you guys. I've just been out of commission. And today I'm actually not feeling so well. It's that time of the month. TMI. But my husband and my kids decided that they're going to help me out with laundry. So we're just folding all the laundry now and putting them away, which is one of the part of laundry that I dislike the most, but thank God that they decided that they're going to help me out, and we tackle this thing so quickly, you guys. I tell you, 3 hands are better than one, or 3 heads are better than one, I should say. We tackled it and we got rid of all this clothes, the mountains of clothing, and yeah, it just made it for a very easy day. So happy about that. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this very relaxed, slow day of homemaking and cleaning. It wasn't a lot of cleaning, but it just was little tasks that needed to be done for today. In the next video, there will be a lot of, packing and decluttering and all those things. Hopefully, I can get it all done, but thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and was motivated to get some cleaning done as well. I will see you guys next time. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.